Good day. My name is Nino Fingini Gapatan, and I'm a first-year Bachelor of Science in Civil Engineering student here at CIT University. So, a little bit about myself is I really enjoy reading books, sketching architecture designs, and spending time outdoors, especially on hikes or nature walks. So, the reason why I chose to take a civil engineering because I've always want to know how structures like buildings, roads, and bridges are planned and brought to life, shaping the way we live and move. So, one reason why I enroll at CIT University because of its strong engineering program, excellent academic support, and a very outstanding reputation in the field. So, I'm really excited to know each other view and to explore this subject.
Save na yung video.
Saan pag-save?
Iko na. Sige na. Iko na.